Good afternoon, everyone. I'm the reporter for and I'll be reporting the reconstruction. Can you read the question number 1, Rosales?
Find the next partners of an arithmetic statement if the first term and the common difference are given. First term is negative 16 and the common difference is 9.
So since the first term is negative 16, we're just gonna add 9 and because the common difference is 9. So negative 16 plus 9 is equals to negative 7. And negative 7 plus 9 is equals to 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 21. And 29. So these are the answers. Can you read the question number 2? That we read?
Mama Ren.
Find answer. Ace of ID. 7. Ace of equals 67.
So to find the ace of 15, we need to subtract 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. And 69 minus 57 is equals to 12. So we're gonna divide it. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And from the 15, hanapin natin yung kulang, which is 10. So 57 plus 10 times 16. 10 times 16. 10 times 16. 10 times 6 na lang is equals to 60. So 57 plus 16 is 117. So the answer of ace of 15 is 117. Next question. Find 9.
If the first three terms in the arithmetic sequence are 3, 7, 11, then what is the next term following?
So we need to find the common difference. The common difference of 3, 7, and 11 is 4.